Hi there, this is NikitaNet, and in the background you might hear some PCs streaming because this power supply will go into one of them. So I'm testing out stuff and realized I needed a new one, and this Seasonic S12 3rd edition, I'm guessing, but free at least, 650 watt with 5-year warranty apparently. Most likely will fit the bill quite nicely. So let's open it up and take a look inside. And just make sure that everything fits before I, get the old power supply from the streaming PC out of the case. Because of course, that's something which, is time consuming. So let's take a look. The box is very nice, and I'm thinking, there it goes. That's nice. Some packing foam and some literature. Wonderful. Couple of screws, 4 even, nicely, glossy painted ones even. Then a power cord, which is always handy. I have enough of them, but you know, a good power cord is nice to have. We've got some silica gel, dangerous throwaway, and it's still fresh, which is good, which means this is a freshly built unit, or at least it wasn't exposed to any moisture. So that's that. Okay. Now this isn't a modular power supply. It isn't. It's a proper Seasonic though, which is good. So let's take it out of its bubbly foil, which is nicely sticky taped. I'll take a good look. Just place it on the foam because I don't want to damage it or the desk in the first couple of minutes of usage. So there we go. That's the back, and it states Seasonic Universal 110-240 VAC. Input voltage, of course, with a nice switch, which is handy. I like this mesh, and of course here is the bottom or top, however you want to mount it, however they allow you to mount it as well. And this is apparently a silent power supply if you're under a certain utilization of it, which is nice. So just a bulk standard fan, I would say. That's fine. Nicely recessed, and it's looking good. Now the connections that are on here, let's take a look at those quite quickly. So here we go. Come on. There it is. Oh, this is more than enough for my needs at least. And they're all connected properly. And that's wonderful. Okay, that's interesting. So these are most likely for video cards. That's the normal click together main board or motherboard power connector, and then there should be an 8-pin VGA. That's clear. VGA twice. There should be an 8-pin. Ooh. VGA again. So you get 4 8-pin ones, right? And here's the CPU one, which I will be needing. It's a split one for different types of motherboards, which is fine. Alright, what else? Serial ATA. Let's see, 2, 4, 6 serial 8. No, pardon me. We've got 6 serial ATAs here, and we've got 3 Molex plus a floppy drive here. And that's what you get. And it's all attached. And once again, for my application, that's fine. So, the Seasonic. Oh, here's some more literature. Printed, of course. The Seasonic S12 III, 650 watts. Model SSR 650GB3. Interesting. And this is, of course, the power rating. So this is NikitoNet saying, I hope you found this video interesting. And thanks for watching. Bye bye.